Okay, dear friends, now very glad to meet you people. Perhaps first time in Chennai. I came here in Chennai in connection with an eidmilan program, which is a get together with leaders from all walks of life, social as well as political. Now, Popular Front of India is conducting these kinds of program throughout the country because we are trying to communicate with the people of India belonging to various places, sections, classes, because now our country is going through a very crucial situation. Because the very objective of the country, the existence of our secular democratic republic itself is under threat because of the communal divisive agenda of the ruling party and their agenda. As you know all, instead of the people of India discussing about our financial development, stability, and also our leading role in the present world, now the media as well as the people of India discussing about masjid issues, temple issues, hijab issues. Why? Because the ruling party of India want to discuss such a divisive agenda in India. Every day we witness new and newer attacks on masjids, new cases in courts, and new rules and regulations by universities. Everything promoting a divisive agenda, not promoting the peaceful coexistence. That means from the burning live issues of the people of India, they are trying to divert the attention into such a communal divisive agenda. Therefore, Popular Front of India is trying to bring together all social as well as political groups, organizations, individuals, activists to come together to fight against this communal agenda, this fascist agenda, and to cooperate each other for the benefit of the country, for the benefit of the people of India. And this is the message we want to convey the people of India. Now, I think the most important message the people of India is to come together against the divisive agenda of the fascist RSS people as well as the BJP which is ruling India. And to a greater extent, the people of India slowly understand the importance, the seriousness of this message, and hence we are getting more and more support from various corners of the country. And day by day, let me share you the fact that Popular Front of India is expanding to the vast length and breadth of the country, as well as our message. It is getting momentum in all fields of life, human life in India. And welcome all my journalist brothers for an effective and positive sharing of ideas. And once again, I wish you a eidmilan greetings to all